I'm Chef Larry Posen. I'm the Executive Chef and Senior Culinary Director at the University Center in Chicago. The Aquafaba cookies start by draining the chickpeas, reserving the chickpeas for later use. We take the liquid, put it in our cold mixing bowl with wire whip. We add sugar, vanilla extract, and we begin the whipping process just to get started. And then we put it on high so we form some nice stiff peaks, and we put a little cream of tartar in there as well. And we then pipe it out onto the cookie sheets to various different shapes. We like to get kids involved with the process of cooking so we can always have fun, and just add a couple gummy bears because they're going to dry in the oven for 2 hours at 200 degrees, so the gummy bears really won't melt.